Hey everyone, if the swipe reply option isn't working on Instagram messages, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, update your Instagram app. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and install any available updates. The swipe reply feature may not work if you are using an outdated version. Next, restart your Instagram app and phone. Close the app completely, restart your device, and check if the feature starts working. If the problem continues, clear the Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. Another reason could be regional restrictions or account limitations. Instagram sometimes throws out features in phases, so swipe reply feature might not be available to everyone yet. If nothing works, log out and log back in. Go to Settings. Scroll down, tap Log Out, then sign back in and check if the swipe reply option is working. Finally, if Instagram servers are experiencing issues, it could temporarily affect features like message replies. Check a site like Down Detector to see if others are reporting similar problems. If it's a server issue, you may need to wait for Instagram to fix it. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Instagram fixes. See you in the next one.